A she shed is more than a backyard structure, it's a personal escape. In 2026, women are transforming these spaces into beautiful retreats designed for relaxation, creativity, and everyday inspiration.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is personalization so important in she shed design? A she shed should reflect the personality of the person using it. Unlike shared living spaces, it provides complete creative freedom. Personalization transforms the shed into a place that feels inspiring, comforting, and uniquely connected to its owner. Love decorating your own way? Like this if personal style matters most. Why is comfort becoming a major design priority? People want spaces that feel welcoming and restorative. Comfort helps transform a simple shed into a retreat that people genuinely enjoy spending time in. In 2026, cozy and inviting interiors continue to dominate design trends. Love cozy spaces? Like this if comfort should always come first. Why are she sheds popular on Pinterest? They combine many things people love: beautiful design, personal expression, outdoor living, and creative inspiration. Their visual appeal makes them highly shareable, while their versatility inspires homeowners looking to improve their own outdoor spaces. Love Pinterest-worthy spaces? Like this if design inspiration is everywhere. Why are she sheds more popular than ever in 2026? People place greater value on personal wellness and work-life balance. Dedicated spaces for relaxation and creativity have become increasingly important. A she shed offers a peaceful environment, away from daily distractions, allowing women to recharge, focus on hobbies, or simply enjoy quiet time in a space designed entirely around their needs. Love having a space of your own? Like this if personal retreats are worth creating. Why are nature-inspired designs so popular? A backyard retreat naturally connects to the outdoors. Nature-inspired designs help strengthen that connection by creating calm and relaxing environments. These spaces often feel more timeless because they work in harmony with their surroundings. Love nature-inspired decor? Like this, if outdoor beauty inspires you. Why are backyard studios trending in 2026? More people are seeking flexible spaces that support creativity and productivity. Backyard studios provide separation from household distractions while remaining conveniently close to home. This combination has made them one of the fastest-growing outdoor living trends. Love creative spaces? Like this, if backyard studios inspire you. Why are backyard retreats becoming lifestyle investments? People increasingly recognize the value of spaces that support happiness and well-being. A backyard retreat isn't simply another structure, it's a place dedicated to personal enjoyment, creativity, and relaxation. That emotional value often makes it one of the most appreciated areas of a property. Love investing in your happiness? Like this, if personal spaces matter. What makes a she shed truly special? The most special she sheds provide something increasingly rare, a place dedicated entirely to personal fulfillment. They offer comfort, creativity, peace, and freedom in a way few other spaces can. That emotional connection is what transforms a simple shed into a cherished retreat. Ready to create your dream retreat? Like this, if every woman deserves a space of her own. What design mistakes should be avoided? Common mistake is focusing solely on appearance without considering how the space will actually be used. The most successful she sheds balance beauty with practicality, ensuring that the retreat remains comfortable, functional, and enjoyable over time. Love thoughtful design? Like this, if function should match style. What defines a modern she shed in 2026? Modern she sheds are designed with both beauty and functionality in mind. Rather than serving a single purpose, they often combine multiple roles, functioning as a retreat, workspace, creative studio, reading room, or wellness sanctuary. The focus is on creating a space that feels meaningful and adaptable. Love modern backyard spaces? Like this, if style and function should go together. How can small she sheds still feel spacious? A well-designed space feels larger than its actual size. Thoughtful layouts, cohesive decor, and a focus on atmosphere can make even compact sheds feel open, inviting, and functional. The experience of the space matters more than square footage. Working with a small shed, like this, if smart design wins every time. How can a she shed support wellness? Wellness-focused spaces encourage relaxation, mindfulness, and self-care. A she shed provides an opportunity to slow down, disconnect from stress, and focus on activities that bring joy and fulfillment. This is one reason they continue gaining popularity. Love self-care spaces? Like this, if wellness matters every day. How can a she shed reflect different life stages? A she shed evolves alongside its owner. What begins as a hobby room may later become a workspace, reading retreat, or wellness sanctuary. This flexibility is one of the reasons these spaces remain valuable and meaningful for years. Love spaces that grow with you? Like this, if flexibility matters. How can a she shed improve daily life? Having a dedicated retreat creates opportunities to step away from responsibilities and focus on personal well-being. Even short periods spent in a peaceful environment can help reduce stress and improve overall happiness. Many women view their she shed as an investment in themselves. Love creating balance in life? Like this, if everyone deserves a peaceful retreat. How can a she shed feel luxurious without a huge budget? Luxury often comes from atmosphere rather than expensive materials. Thoughtful design choices, harmonious decor, and a clear vision can create a sophisticated environment regardless of budget. Many of the most admired she sheds succeed because they feel intentional and personal. Love affordable luxury? Like this if style matters more than spending. How can a she shed encourage creativity? The environment we spend time in influences how we think and feel. A thoughtfully designed retreat encourages focus, imagination, and self-expression. Whether used for writing, crafting, painting, or other hobbies, a she shed can become a place where creativity flourishes. Love creative hobbies? Like this if inspiring spaces spark new ideas. She Shed ideas in 2026 are all about creating beautiful, meaningful spaces that support creativity, relaxation, and personal well-being. Whether used as a studio, retreat, or sanctuary, a thoughtfully designed she shed can become one of the most rewarding spaces in your home. If you're dreaming of a backyard escape, start creating a space that inspires you every day and come back for more 2026 decorating inspiration.